Nichols Portland Incorporated, Ridgeway Division, received an award of distinction in the Automotive Engine category for conventional PM components for a Slanted Sensor Boss. This Slanted Sensor Boss is used in automotive emission control systems, manufactured from 409L or 434 LCB for optimal weldability and corrosion resistance, with the latter reserved for premium applications. The design features a shelf die and a 3D printed bolt-on angle die extension to ensure even powder fill across the lopsided flange. Achieving a compacting pressure of 700 megapascal is crucial for the desired green density, as the part shrinks 8 to 9% during sintering. The bosses are welded for quick assembly and long-term reliability, passing a 100% leak test with a minimum sinter density of 7.2 grams per cubic centimeter, significantly reducing material waste compared to traditional machining methods.